Hey gearheads, buckle up because we're taking a thrilling ride into the world of automotive dreams. Today, we're dissecting the beast that is the 2024 Audi R8, a machine that ignites pure passion at every turn. The R8 nameplate is synonymous with supercar royalty, and the 2024 model builds on that legacy with meticulous refinement and exhilarating upgrades. It's not just a facelift, it's a symphony of power, precision, and head-turning design. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the naturally aspirated V10. This isn't a museum relic, it's a modern masterpiece of engineering, belting out 610 or a monstrous 675 horsepower in the R8 V10 performance. Prepare for neck-snapping acceleration, a symphony of exhaust that chills your spine, and a top speed that'll make your license plate a blur. But the R8 isn't just about brute force, it's a ballerina in a fighter jet's body. The taut, aerodynamic lines slice through the air with surgical precision, while the optional rear-wheel drive configuration promises a more playful, tail-happy dance with the asphalt. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in driver focus. Alcantara and carbon fiber embrace you like a racing suit, the buttons fall perfectly into your fingertips, and the digital instrument cluster puts every vital sign of your machine at your immediate command. It's an environment that begs to be pushed to its limits. Of course, the R8 isn't just about bragging rights at the stoplight, it's a car that begs to be taken on a weekend escape, to carve up a winding mountain road, and to leave the world behind in a cloud of tire smoke and pure exhilaration. But ultimately, the 2024 R8 is more than just a collection of specs and lap times. It's a feeling, it's the wind whipping through your hair as you floor it onto an open highway, it's the adrenaline rush of mastering a hairpin turn with millimeter precision, it's the raw, unadulterated joy of connecting with a machine that's been crafted for pure driving nirvana. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel SK Car Updates.